Hello friends, today we'll cover the topic sitting arrangement, and in today's lecture, which is part 1, we'll cover linear arrangement. This topic is usually asked in exams for 3 to 5 marks. So if you master this topic, you can easily get 3 or 5 marks, where 5 marks are asked for questions which are advanced level or puzzles, which we'll solve in today's lecture. How to solve such kind of questions? Just follow what the question is saying step by step. Try to solve it calmly and you will get the answer very quickly. So let's look at type 1 question, which is one row sequence. 6 persons are sitting in a row. They are A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. C is not sitting beside D, who is sitting on the extreme right. So we know there are 6 persons in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Who is sitting on the extreme right? D. E is between A and C. So E is between A and C, or it can be like this: C, E, A. In both the cases, E is between A and C. A is not sitting beside F and D. So wherever F and D are there, A is not there. B is between F and D. So D is here. Between F and D, B is there. So F will be here and B will be here. Pretty obvious. Who is immediate right of A if all face north? A is not sitting beside F and D. So F is here, so A will not be here. That means A will be here because between A and C, E is there. So very easily we solve this and very quickly. So who is sitting immediate right of A? E is sitting, which is our answer. Let's move to next question. A group of 7 singers facing the audience are standing in a line of the stage as follows. So here is the audience in a theater. Here is the stage and singers are standing. 7 singers. D is to the right of C. So if C is here, D is to the right of C. F is near G. We'll see that later. B is to the left of F. So if F is here, then B is to the left of F. E is to the left of A. So if A is here, E is to the left of A. C and B have one singer between them. So we can see D can be the one singer which is between C and B. A and D have one singer between them. So between A and D we have one singer. So we can write them like this: C, D, B and F. Here between C and B we have one singer which is D. Now they asking A and D have one singer between them. So between A and D we got one singer which is C, and E is to the left of A, so E will come here. In second point they said F is near G, so F is near G. So we solved it very quickly, very easy. Let's look at the questions. First is who is to the extreme right? So G is to the extreme right, which is the answer. What is the position of C if we count from the left? So if we count from the left, 1, 2 and 3. So third position is of C if we count from left. Let's move to the next question. This is type 2. It has 2 rows. So this is called 2 rows sequence. 8 persons P, M, R, T, Q, U, V and W are sitting in front of one another in two rows. Each row has 4 persons. So it is having one row like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are facing here, and another row, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are facing here. So one row is facing north and one row is facing south. Now P is between U and V and facing north. So U, P, V. P is between U and V, or it can be like this. Both the cases are possible as of now. P is between U and V. Q, who is to the immediate left of M, is facing W. So we don't know if they are sitting in first row or second row. That is, we don't know whether they are facing south or north. R is between T and M. Again, we don't know whether they are facing south or north. And W is to the immediate right of V. So we know V is facing north. If we consider this, who is to the immediate right of V? P. So this case is not possible, as the question is saying W is to the immediate right of V. So this is possible, U, P, V and W. Now P comes between U and V and W is to the immediate right of V. So these guys are facing north. We can fill these positions U, P, V and W. Now these 4 spots are left. Let's look at the question again. Q, who is to the immediate left of M, is facing W. So Q is facing W and Q is to the immediate left of M. So M must be here. If M is facing north, then Q will come here to the left. But if M is facing south, then its left will become here. Okay, so do take care whether they are facing north or south, because then they will change the left and right positions. Here M is facing towards south, so Q will come on the right hand side, which is left of M. R is between T and M, so M is here, T will be here and R will be here. So I hope it was clear to you. It was very easy. 2-row sequence. Let's look at the question. Who is sitting diagonally in front of T? So T is sitting here and diagonally in front of T will be W. This is how the diagonal is made. So W is the answer. Who is to the immediate right of R? Here is R. Now R is facing south. So its right will be this T. So we don't have T in the options. So answer is none of these. In which of the following pairs person are sitting in front of each other? MV? Yes, MV are sitting in front of each other. So MV is our answer. Very simple questions. Now let's look at this question, which is a puzzle. So this is nothing but advanced level. And this is asked for 5 marks. Previous questions were of 3 marks. This is of 5 marks. It takes a bit more time and is a bit more complex. So I request you to pay your attention here. 12 people are sitting in 2 parallel rows containing 6 persons each. So 12 people are there, parallel rows are there, and each row has 6 persons. In row 1, P, Q, R, S, T, V are facing south, and in row 2, A, B, C, D, E, F are facing north. So this is first row, they are facing south. And second row, they are facing north. Now S sits third to the right of Q. Now Q and S are facing south. So Q is here. Now S is third to the right of Q. Now which side will be the right of Q? This side, cause it is facing south. So 1, 2 and 3. S. S is sitting third to the right of Q. Either S or Q sits at extreme end of the line. So either Q is sitting at the extreme end or S is sitting at the extreme end. The one who faces Q, so this is the guy who will be facing Q. So the one who faces Q sits second to the right of E. So E will be here and E's right side will be this side and second position. So the one person who is facing Q, that is this person, is sitting second to the right of E. Two persons sit between B and F. So it will be like this. Either this or F dash dash B. Two persons are sitting between B and F. Neither B nor F sits at an extreme end of the line. So neither B nor F are at the extreme. So extreme will be filled with some other person. So they are in the middle. So these cases are possible, 1 or 2. Now pay attention to this line. This is tricky and this will help you to solve the question. The immediate neighbor of B faces the person who sits third to the left of P. I repeat, the immediate neighbor of B faces the person who sits third to the left of P. Now P is sitting in first row which is facing towards south. So P is here and person who is sitting third to the left of P. So left of P will be this. So 1, 2 and 3. Now if P is to the left of Q, if P is to the left of Q, it will make row like this. S dash dash Q P dash dash dash. Not possible. Why? Cause then it will have 8 people, whereas there are only 6 people. So P can't be on the left side of Q. This is not possible. So P will be on the right side of Q. Okay. P will be on the right side of Q. Like this. Q dash dash S. Now P will be either here or here. Either at first or at second. Why? Cause third person to the left of P. If P sits here, then third person will be 1, 2 and 3. Or if P sits here, then third person will be 1, 2 or 3. P can't be at the place of S. P can't be between S and Q. Cause then we'll have one more person here which is not possible. So P is at first or P is at second position. That means Q is at extreme. I hope it was clear. P can't sit on the left side of Q. That will make 8 people as defined here. So this is not possible. So P will be on the right side of the Q. Like this. P can't be here because there are 3 people who are on the left side of P at least. So P will be either here or P will be either here. So this makes it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and immediate neighbor of B. If I place B here, then immediate neighbor will be either first or third. If I place B here, then immediate neighbor will be this first or third. Can this first or third face the person who is sitting third to the P? Can any of these neighbor face the person who is sitting third to P? Because third to P will be between F and Q. This is not possible. So B is not possible here. B will be here only. That means second case is possible. And F will be here only. C sits second to the left of A. So it's like this. C A. C sits second to the left of A. Now can A come here? No, because E is already sitting here. So A will come here and C will come here. So the one position which is left is for D. R and T are immediate neighbors. Okay, R and T are immediate neighbors. T doesn't face the immediate neighbor of T. So D is sitting here. Immediate neighbor is B. T is not facing B. That means T will be here and R will be here. Now, who is B's immediate neighbor? D and E. So B's immediate neighbor is facing the person who is third to P. So D is not the person because he is facing Q. E will be the person. He is immediate neighbor of B and he will face the person who is third to P. So P will be here. 1, 2 and 3. So this place is left for V. I hope you were able to understand. This was very complex problem. It will take 4 to 5 minutes, but it is worth your time because this question was asked for 5 marks. Let's look at the questions. Who amongst the following sit at the extreme ends of the row? Who sit at the extreme end of the row? SD? No. QA? No. VC? No. PD? Yes. P and D sit at the extreme end. Who amongst the following faces S? So S is here. Who is facing S? A is facing S. Four of the following are alike in a certain way so as to form a group. Which one of the following doesn't belong to the group? A, T. So A and T are like this. B, T. B and T are also like this. F, P. F, P is also like this. C, V is also like this. E, Q. It is a bit different. All were like diagonally opposite, but this was a bit extreme. So E and Q is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. In the next lecture, we'll cover sitting arrangement part 2, where we'll discuss circular arrangement and solve some questions that came in previous competitive exams. If this video was helpful to you, do hit the like button. Comment down below for your queries or suggestions. We are on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Cloud24 Academy. You can write to us. Our mail ID is cloud24academy@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos.